Iba kasi itong Muslim to Muslim eh. Okay man yung Christian in a diplomatic world, but it would greatly help pagka ang kausap mo Muslim rin. Kaya nandyan yan sila kinuha ko sa opinion. Role naman, I have the best of, karamihan niya ngayon mga retired generals. Lesson and corruption, but I will fire more next week. Inintay ko lang yung report nila. But sabi ko na, you give me your report and if I find it justifiable, you can stay. Pero kung may corruption, I'm sorry. Hanggang ngayon, nagpapaalis pa ako ng tao. I'm trying my best. Huwag kayo maniwala nitong, lalo na ito si Asierto. Ito nga yung tanungin ko kayang military pati police, bakit buhay pa yung putang inang yan? Man, he was the guy na nag-import ng AK-47, 1,000 something.